It's a beautiful day outside in New York City. Let me take. The city is snowing. It's beautiful. Right. Okay. Let's open this baby. It's a nice bag. The logo is embroidered. So Rochester logo over here as well. These are the course materials. Comes inside the bag. It's the CCU material. I'm going to put this aside. Let's take a look what's inside. Wow. You also get the Cyberbook. Okay. So this is Cyberbook. It's a Pixel book which runs Rochester Rose desktop edition operating system. Selected students will get the Cyberbook with the courseware for RCC. How cool is that? The laptop is beautiful. What is so great about the laptop is the square shape. It has one USB, that's a USB-C port. You got a USB-C port over here as well. See how thin it is? It's really beautiful. And that is the Rochester hologram right here. Oh my God, it's a beautiful piece of art. It's a square shape, almost a square. You don't see a laptop this size. That's what makes it unique, this Pixel book. So Rochester chose the Pixel book to install the Rose desktop edition with hacking tools, virtual machines, lab exercises. Everything is built right inside. And the students will get a bag with the coursewares and the laptop. That's our Cyberbook. Okay, let's open it up. I'm going to put it up. Hold on. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Okay, cool. Let's power that up. I accidentally pressed the off switch, sorry. It's booting Rose. Well, there you go, it's coming up. It's pretty fast. The specs are 16 gigabyte RAM, 512 gigabyte storage space, and it's a i7. It's extremely fast, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful running Rose. And it's a touchscreen. How cool is that? Okay. So what I can do is can double click, can move around. Let me launch virtual box right here. Okay, so let me fire up. Everything you need to run RCC exercises is right here. You don't do anything. Just bring this laptop, put in your class, or even at home, you're ready to do the exercise. Only thing you have to do is you got to log on to Cyberclass. So I'm putting up Mac. So it's putting up, Rose is a proprietary operating system. It's not open source. It contains a lot of licensed components. Pretty much innovative, right? We have tons of patents on Cyberbook, including the name itself is trademarked. It's something unique in the cybersecurity industry. When people are greedy, charging tons of money for teaching you on technologies that's freely available on the internet, Rochester takes a different direction, giving stuff free to cybersecurity professionals. Oh God, smooth, real smooth. Okay, the form factor is fantastic. See, Apple, Macintosh, or Catalina, or even Mojave, it's not even touchscreen. Okay, so you can't use it. So the Mac OS running on Rose makes it touchscreen. There you go. Files, my applications, it's all running right here, right? Let me open up a browser. Okay, I got to scroll up and down. Okay, I'm launching Safari here. Okay, I'm going to my favorite news site. It's New York Times. Now it's loading. Right, so that's Mac running smoothly. Jesus Christ, it's beautiful. I love it. Okay, I'm saving that. So you got a full Mac experience on Rose, on running on a Cyberbook laptop. I'm saving the snapshot so that I don't have to wait for next time it boots. So that's that. All right, so next is Windows 10. So let me go here. I'm going to use the mouse. It's much more simpler. What we do in RCC classes, some of the installations comes with Windows 10 activated. We buy the license code from Microsoft as an OEM partner licensing, and we'll activate it inside Rose, and we ship it along with the course material on the back. The student gets a beautiful experience, and I can easily say this is the best operating system in the entire world. Why? We worked very hard on the font, on the look and feel, on the background, and the beauty. Let me bring it up closer, the screen itself, so you can see it. There you go. See this? Very simple. It's beautiful, simple. And this is Windows 10. He's running a rose background, so let me open up the menu. Look at the menu. Okay, does Windows look this beautiful? No. Let me dismiss that. Let me close up my browser. All right. Okay. There's the File Explorer. Yep. Thank you, Microsoft, for your alerts. Look at that. Damn smooth. Right. So let me go and open up Microsoft Edge. You see the purple color, the blue, light blue and dark blue, and gray shades background. That's fantastic. Jesus. So we have Adobe installed over here, but that's not a commercial version, it's a trial version. So you have a fully activated Windows 10 running inside Rochester and Rose. Okay? No other vendor gives you this. Okay, why do we do this? Why we are so obsessed with beauty, design, and innovation? It's very simple, We want to lift the standards of cybersecurity industry. Right now it's pathetic. The certification vendors are only interested in making money and charging. My God, nothing has even uplifted. It's same old crap, same old school of the coursewares and the labs and the manuals and so on. So there's nothing that's cutting edge. So you know what? We drew the drawing board and said, that's not the way to conduct training. You don't have to go log on some cloud or something. You can log on the cloud. So that's that. Let me go on to another operating system I really love. It's Rose. This is a calculus edition of Rose. It's almost 250 gigabyte of hacking tools right there with 1 terabyte in SD card. I'm booting up. Of course, the calculus edition continuously changes every week. So we add new tools, new exploits, new code, and the curriculum gets updated. In fact, this is the most powerful and the best hacking course in the entire world. We have an entire team every single day. They do a check-in with me. Okay, so I added these features, this is compiled, and this works, and so on. And we push it in a monthly update to our partners, our students, and so on. Okay, so imagine you've been running a Toyota car, or Hyundai car, or Volvo. Suddenly, a company comes in, Tesla, with revolutionary technologies and up-to-date software-powered driving interface. Would you go for it? Yeah, the entire world went for it. So think of us as Rose, and the screen resolution is screaming with beauty. The video doesn't do a fair justice. You really have to see it for yourself. It's that beautiful. And call me arrogant. I love to be arrogant, and arrogantly I can say this is the best operating system in the entire world. Yeah, I'll say it again. Rose desktop edition is the best operating system in the entire world, running on a beautiful Pixel book. We call it Cyberbook. Why do I make that bold, arrogant statement? Look, what kind of technologies we have that we have all the operating systems running inside. You have Mac OS, you have Windows, you have Rose, you got Linux running inside, you have your hacking tools, and even smartphone operating system built inside in a fantastic, seamless, smooth graphical user interface, consistent across all the OS. So this, what you're seeing here, is Rochester Rose Calculus Edition. Right? It's really beautiful. There you go. That's my terminal. Let's fire it up. Those of you RCC students, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, the touchscreen works across all the OS. It is that smooth. Okay, it is good. So there you go. So that is, okay, let me open up. All right, hold on. Rose calculation edition works best with the mouse. Sorry guys, I'm used to mouse, not with the touchpad. Okay, on the go on a train I can use the touchpad, but in the professional situations I really need a physical mouse. Right, so there you can swap between multiple operating systems right here, and you have all the usual programming languages. Office. Another thing is Microsoft Office 2016 is installed as well right here. Okay, so not only get the LibreOffice, you get a 2005 Office as well. Is it activated? We activated with Windows 10 license, right? Okay, guys, trust me, it's not going to cost that much for Rochester. Okay, why don't other training centers do this? Don't do this? I don't know. Go and ask them. They try to squeeze every single penny out of you. Ask them to give you a colorful brochures, colorful coursewares, goodies and waive fees or renewal. No, they don't do that. Okay, they'll be sending you renewals on hey, please pay here. We have additional course on this. Can you please pay on that? Oh God, pathetic. Okay, so that's. I'm going to shut this down. Hold on. I can put it off. All right, so we got the Maxis, we got the Joshua, we got Next operating system. I love Next. Let me show you that. God, it's I just love it. Okay, so we do have an edition of Next OS. We call it Next Gen operating system. All right. So we took the interface of Next tab, the colorful. Okay, let me launch a browser. This is called OmniWeb. It was released in 1994. Still works. TCP/IP stack works, but you won't get the bells and whistles of HTTPS and dynamic HTML. A simple, bold, italic text that works as well. So that's a very powerful platform. It's running, and of course it's slow. It runs on 512, the next operating system, 512 megabyte when it's launched. So we're doing a double virtualization. So the OS takes a little bit of time to fire things up. So that's okay. Let me close this guy. I'm going to save it. Right, then you got Joshua. All right, so we'll be adding tons of new operating systems with built-in tools. Okay, so on the surface it looks very simple. Okay, it could be deceiving. This is a very powerful laptop. So we have all the best hacking tools right inside, and RCC syllabus is right here. Cyberclass is built inside, and look at the form factor. My goodness, I love it. Okay, once again, just take a look at the square shape. All right, and honestly, I can say this: there is no other laptop better than Pixelbook. The only pathetic thing about Pixelbook is it runs the crappy Chrome OS. Chrome is just a Chrome browser. That's it, nothing else. So we wiped it out. We got rid of the Chrome operating system and flashed Rochester and Rose. We tweaked the drivers. We made it work so smoothly, all right, and labeled it as Cyberbook. So what is Cyberbook? It's our brand. We take in beautiful existing laptops and embed Rochester and Rose and hacking tools and our class lab exercises inside. So that's it. So there you go. Once again, see that? How beautiful it is? All right. Thank you for watching. And when I come back, I'll spend some time on Rochester and Rose running on a phone. Yeah, this is a Hydrogen 1 mobile phone. with a 1 terabyte SD card right here. And this runs Rochester Rosie. That's for another video. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.